In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a presentation with AI in Miro. Start by opening Miro and going to a new board. A fresh board gives you a clean workspace, which makes it easier for the AI to understand what you are trying to build. Once the board loads, take a moment to confirm you are in the main canvas area with the toolbar and panels visible around the edges. Next, look for Sidekicks AI and click it to open the AI Assistant panel. This is where you will give Miro a prompt and choose the right AI tool for creating your content. If you do not immediately see Sidekicks AI, pause for a second and scan the side panel or toolbar area, since the exact placement can vary depending on your layout and screen size. With the Sidekicks AI panel open, click into the prompt field and type the word highlight. Type it carefully and keep it simple. Using a clear keyword helps you quickly locate the correct option in the AI results. As you type, you should see suggestions or matching actions appear. Now, type highlight again. This may feel repetitive, but it helps reinforce the search and ensures the assistant is focused on the exact tool you want. If the panel refreshes or auto-filters results while you are entering text, let it finish updating before moving on. This keeps you from clicking the wrong option by accident. Once you can see the highlight option in the list, click on Highlight. This selects the action and applies it within the Sidekicks AI workflow. From here, you are set up to use the AI-driven highlight function as the basis for building out your presentation content inside Miro. A quick tip for smoother results: keep your focus on the AI panel as you work and avoid clicking back onto the canvas until you have selected the correct option. That prevents accidental deselection and keeps your AI flow consistent. That covers everything you need to know.